Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Investing on the stock market is risky business, but if done right, it can be rewarding. But getting it right involves careful assessment and an in-depth knowledge of the company you're buying into. That's why companies are required to publish a prospectus, informing potential investors of the company's financial history and what to expect in the future. Now, as it relates to the prospectus for the TransJamaican Highway initial public offering, investors are being advised to weigh the benefits against the risks. The prospectus highlights that the TransJamaican Highway Company has a strong historical financial performance, with a compounded annual growth rate of 10 and 15% between 2014 and 2018. But the document notes that all that could change if drivers choose to avoid the toll or decide to use unlawful roadway entries. As at December 31, the annual vehicle volume using the highway stands at approximately 24 million. The prospectus mentions an independent traffic study, which indicates that this growth trend is expected to continue. At the same time, the new leg of the highway that will extend from Maypen to Williamsfield offers new opportunities, extending the length of the toll road by approximately 50%. But even that development could be problematic. The prospectus highlights that rapid traffic growth could result in increased congestion and commuting times on the toll road, discouraging drivers from using it. Outside of those concerns, investors should also be aware of the company's future plans. According to the prospectus, TransJamaican Highway intends to reorganize itself into a group of companies to take advantage of regional opportunities in construction and other infrastructure. The company also plans to explore secondary developments under its concession agreement, including housing near the highway. In the prospectus, the TransJamaican Highway Company outlines that it has no mandatory major capital expenditures apart from periodic and routine maintenance until 2034. But the company notes that it is still vulnerable to regulatory, environmental, and operational risks, which could adversely affect profits. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $142.03. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $104.26. The pound is going for $182.47, while the euro closed the day at $158.24. The JSE index lost 2,132 points today, and the junior market index declined by 43 points. Among the winners were Sagicor Select Funds Financial, Stanley Motor, Caribbean Cream, Pulse Investments, and Jetcon Corporation. On the losing side were 138 Student Living, Derrimont Trading Preference Shares, Paramount Trading, Fosrich, and G West Corporation. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.